Hey, what's up, YouTube? Alright, so I'm here with a student. He's about to take his driving test. The DMV opens in about 45 minutes. So he's been practicing. We're gonna run through it one more time. Alright, so they're gonna ask you the question: if you're parked facing uphill, curbs on the right, what direction do you turn your steering wheel?
Left, away from the road.
Right, and then what else do you do?
You put the car in park and you turn off the ignition.
Put up your handbrake also. You put up the handbrake. Just tell them that. Tell them.
Yeah, you gotta put it in park.
Put up the handbrake. No, you don't do it. Just tell them.
Okay, you put it in park and then you turn off the ignition.
Okay. Alright, then they're gonna say signal left, signal right, blow the horn, press and release the brake. They're checking to make sure that the brake lights are working, the horns are working, turn signal lights are working. They will not take you out in the car if those things are not working, right? So now lately they've been asking people to turn the steering wheel all the way left. So go ahead, all the way left. And then they're checking the front tire. Turn all the way right. They're checking the tire. When you're done doing that, just straighten the wheel. So 2 times to the middle. Right there. Alright, so now they're gonna get into the car and tell you to reverse and go to the left. So we're gonna go into the back where the test is actually, most of the test is. Alright, so reverse, look behind you, roll straight back until your mirror is past the end of the line, which is the end of these cars that we're parked beside. And then you're gonna turn all the way right. Look behind and continue to reverse it. Look over your left shoulder also and back up some more. Alright, you can go back more. Okay, look, you see how close you are to those things still? Yep. Have a lot more room. Alright, that's good. Stop sign and make a left turn at the stop sign. What is this person on the side of the damn road? Alright, stop here completely. 1, 2, 3. Go ahead. Down to the stop sign and make a left signal. So as soon as they tell you to make a left or right, you make sure you put on your turn signal, because not using the signal gets you 4 negative points. Make a left. You want to get as little negatives as possible. Even though you can still pass the test with 30 negative points, you still, try to get none. The idea is to get 0 negative, you feel me? I go down to the end and we're gonna make a left turn in the corner here by the garbage can. Its maximum speed is about 10. So don't really go too fast because we're in a plaza. I go down to where this tree is sticking out by this construction thing and we're gonna make a quick right turn. So you're going to signal right. As soon as you go around this corner, they're going to ask you to stop. So straighten the wheel here and stop. Stop completely. And then they're going to tell you to speed up to 20 and do a sudden stop. So go ahead, speed up. Straight down. And stop. Alright. Next thing they're going to ask you to do is to reverse in a straight line. So look behind you and just let it roll straight back. So if you're straight when you stop here, it will go straight back. Just look straight behind, because that's what they expect you to do. When you get to about here, they'll tell you to stop. Alright, put it back in drive. We're going to go down to the end and make a left turn to go park and do the 3-point turn. So stay closer to the right. Closer to the right, it's always better. Close to the right lane. And we're gonna signal to the left, and we're gonna park in between these cones. And just pull straight in. Alright, that's cool. Alright, reverse, straight out. We're gonna go to the left to do the 3-point turn. So as soon as your mirror is past the cones, you turn all the way right. Remember, you have to look back, right? As long as the car is moving back, they expect you to look back. Alright, look behind and look over your left shoulder too. As soon as the mirror is past the middle line, see this middle line here? When your mirror is past it like that, you stop. Put the car back in drive. Alright, pull up next to the line on the right side so you can do the 3-point turn. Close to the right, straighten up here, and stop. Alright, 3-point turn, signal left, all the way left. And you're gonna go and stop before you hit that curve. Alright, put it back in reverse, all the way right. Look over your left shoulder and reverse. And again, as soon as your mirror is past the middle, you stop, because if you back into the parking space, they will definitely fail you. Go back and just a touch more. Like that's good. Put the car back in drive. Turn all the way left. And signal. Yeah. Because remember, every time you don't signal, that's -4. You don't want that. You want to get 0 points if possible. 0 points mean you pass with 100%. Alright, stop completely. Alright, go ahead and make your left. Okay, and look at this DMV line, people. This line is wrapped around the building. See what I'm saying? Crazy. This line has been like that. It's getting worse. It's supposed to be getting better, but it's literally getting worse. Craziness. Alright, so we're gonna go down here. We're gonna turn left. Is that quick left again? Beside this BMW right here. Now you can park it between those two cars. Either way, it don't matter. Alright. Straight in. Stop. Pull straight in the wheel. That's good. Alright, put it in the car. Alright, so how you think you did?
Okay, I got it okay.
Okay, that's it? Okay?
Yeah.
You think you would have passed with that?
Yeah, I think I would have passed.
Definitely. Yeah, he did good. Wow. Yeah, he did good. So that's it. I think he'll pass with 95 or better. 95% or better. So yeah, that's it. Just thanks for watching. I'm asking you guys again, please subscribe. I have close to 16,000 subscribers. In my opinion, it should have been over 100,000 by now, but again, that's just me saying that, right? So help me to get the numbers to at least 20,000. It's at I think 100 or 2 off of 16,000. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.